Hey guys, Trent here with 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Just wanted to take a moment to showcase a 14 Chevy 3500 HD that we just finished up. We did a 3-inch zone suspension lift on it. Looking super cool. I love it when we do these dualies. I'm going to shake this camera all over the place. I don't have my gimbal. But we also did a wheel, or not a wheel package, but a tire package on it. Factory wheels, Nitto Trail Gripper MTs. We did two 85/75 17s. Looking super spectacular. I'm going to try to my best not to hop all over the place with this video. Just wanted to stop and take a short video for all the subscribers and watchers out there. 2014 GMC 3500 dually. Yes, we can do a dually. If you've got a dually and you want it lifted, give me a shout. If you've got a dually and you want it lifted, give me a shout. Trent4x4works.com, 469-424-0028. Check out all my other YouTube videos. Check me out on Instagram. Check me out on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this short video on a lifted dually. Chevrolet 3500 HD 2014. Have a great day.